Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Crossbeats Ignite smartwatch. You can tell from the box itself what this particular smartwatch looks like. You can see it has a nice metallic edge to it. We'll obviously take a closer look. There's Ignite written right over here. There is of course extra information, like this one has full touch IPS display. It has 14 days of standby battery, multisport activated mode. We'll check them out. Vibration alerts, and that's more or less it. There seems to be no other. Okay, there are some QR codes that want you to scan and download the Explore app, which is what you need to pair this particular device. We'll get to it in a while as well. So let's open this box and see what the smartwatch looks like. So namaste, it says, very nice. Hello to you too. Next we have a quick setup guide, like it's telling us to scan the QR code, then pair basically, and then this is for Apple iOS and this is for Android. So yeah, I'm going to leave this one here as well. And this is the smartwatch, which has a green silicone strap. This is a very thick smartwatch. When you compare it to the thickness of the straps, this is almost 3 times as thick as the straps themselves. So yeah, this is very thick. I'm going to remove this particular sticker and take a look at the display. It's a very large display as well. This frame is very much metallic and looks tough and durable as well. There's only one button here. This is the power button, of course, and this is the heart rate monitor right over here. The straps are quite durable as well. I mean, I'm pulling them quite hard, then nothing's happening. It's great. So let's turn this on and see if I can turn it on right now. I think I have some display. Yeah, there you go. It's on, showing 5:15, which is not the time right now, but okay, never mind. At least it works. There is charge in this particular smartwatch. That's great. Let's go back to the box and see what's inside. This is a charging dock, some silica gel, throw away, so that doesn't matter, it's not important. Start here. These are some documents. So this is the user manual for the Crossbeats Ignite smartwatch. Everything that you need to know, you'll find them right here. Of course, how to set up, how to change, how to activate the sports modes, how to change the watch faces, everything is here. Last but not the least, we also have a charging dock. You have to take this out of the straps and then add it here. I will show you how to do that. Just give me a minute. So yeah, basically this is how you put it on charge. There are some knobs here, and you can see. That's it. That's all you will find inside the box containing the Crossbeats Ignite smartwatch. Thank you for watching.